Hello everyone, welcome back to SenthilSmartQAHub. In today's section, we are going to learn how to remove special characters from a string in JavaScript. Now we will write the program for this. Now I'll take the VS Code. The file name I'm going to give remove special characters.js. Now I am going to declare the string which contains special characters. For example, let then string variable name str1 equal, then I will give the value playwright automation. Now in this string I am going to add some special characters. Now this string contains special characters. Now we have to remove the special characters. After removing the special characters, the output will be playwright automation. We can write it on one line, console.log str1 we have a split function. In the split function, we can use a regular expression. I'll write the 2 forward slash. Inside the 2 forward slash, I'll put the square bracket. Here, I'm going to mention what are the special characters to be removed @ and star. Inside the split method, we have written the regular expression. This split method break the string wherever those special characters are present, then converts the remaining value into array. Now let me run this program. Note, we have given the file name is remove special characters.js. I'm going to give the file name remove special characters.js. We didn't get the output because I didn't save this program. File, save. Let me rerun the program. The special characters are removed and remaining strings are stored in the array. See here in the array 3 strings are stored. Before @ first string, after @ till the star second string, and after the star third string. Suppose in the string I'll add one more special characters, then I'll mention the testing. Now in this regular expression we will mention that special characters hash. Now this will be splitted into 4 substring in the array. Now we don't want to output as array, we want as a string. What is output we are expecting? Playwright automation. Now I added the testing, so I'll mention here testing. Join method. Inside the join method, just write open single quotes and close single quotes. This join method combines all array elements back to single string. Now let me rerun the code. We got playwright automation testing. Now this logic is extremely useful in JavaScript interview and real-time applications when you want to remove the unwanted characters from a string. Thank you so much for watching this video.